Hi guys, I've just been up in my workroom looking for something, which is always a bad idea. So I always come down with something else. I found my bag full of solar robots. There's some of them, and there's some more in there. It's a little bit late in the afternoon to try and do anything. The sun is quite low in the sky. We've got long shadows. That's a eye off or something. But what I will do is I'll try them on the table there and see if we can get any of them to work. Right, let's see. This one looks more or less complete. And he is working. That's a good start. I've got the panel aimed towards the sun to get the most of it. So, one works. Oh, that's making the right noise. Oh, he's unbalanced though. If I try and get the solar panel looking at the sun. Just about. Let's just raise the camera up a little bit. Yeah, it is too late in the day, really, to be doing this. I think I've got a video of about 10 of them outside on a flat plate on the lawn, trying to get them all to run. There'll be links in the video description to my solar robots. It's getting along quite well there now. Okay, put him down. I tried this one first and it didn't move at all. Yeah. Needs a bit more sunlight, that one. This one goes incredibly slowly when it does go. I remember I had to do a time-lapse video just to show that he was moving. But he doesn't appear to be moving today. No. Okay. Put him to one side. A lot of these are in pieces where they've been in the box for too long. Oh, that's moving. I'm missing a leg, isn't it? That would help. How do they go on? I think there's something missing there. Should be something to hold that up. How about if I just sit it there? Right? Oh, that works. Yeah, a few bits missing from that one, but it is moving. That's definitely not quite right, that one. Oh, sun's going. Got another. This one looks the same as this one, just different colours. Like that. Goes in there. I'll just fiddle with it off camera. See if I can get it to align. Did it? Oh, he's a bit faster. But he does look the same as that one. Okay, catch him before he falls off. I'm having more success than I expected. Let's leave that one up there just in case the sun comes up. This one, the solar panel's loose. I don't think that's the original solar panel. All right. Okay. That one cheats. That's got wheels. Okay. Put that one down. What have we got left? Dinosaur. Stuck. Oh, I see, that one's come off on there. Oh, yes. Okay. That one's in pieces. Oh, gosh. Okay, motor's running. So how do we sort these out? I'll have a little look at that, see if I can work it out. I don't know if that's the right position, but he's certainly running. Yeah. Success. Can you come back the other way? Oh, lovely. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And put my hand up there, just try and make sure they don't go. Not going to go anyway, are they? That one will. He seems the happiest out of the lot. Right, well there you go. That's my bag full of solar robots. And apart from that one not moving, the others all worked. I just stopped filming and he just started moving. The sun must be catching him just right. You see what I mean about being very slow? I think I've got time to catch him before he goes off the edge of the table. Oh, wow. Yeah, I think next step will be off the table. Back there, mate. Yeah, I had to time lapse it because it was so slow. Oh, brilliant. So, 100% success. Every one of them works. Oh, brilliant. I'm really pleased now. Can we focus on that a bit? Just see the gears turning. Oh, we can't see the gears turning, so I turn it so the sunlight catches it. Oh, just about. Worm gear there, turning several reduction gears to give it enough power to lift the legs. Brilliant. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.